Welcome to the Lippert Technical Training Institute. I'm Chet Dellenbeck. Today we're going to be talking about the quick drop tongue jack. Okay, so let's talk about the operation of this jack. You have two ways of unhooking or hooking. First thing you want to do, first way is the manual way. Simply flip the crank handle over, turn it clockwise to extend or counterclockwise to retract. You also, with this particular jack, do have the option of using a 3/4 inch socket in an electric drill to run the jack up or down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this unit unhooked. We've already got it supported on our jack stands, so we're ready to go. First thing you need to do, put your drill in forward, and you're going to run this down until the jack pad touches the ground and lifts the coach slightly. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have the tongue jack fully extended. We've got the unit lifted up enough so that we can unhook from the tow vehicle. So at this point, what we would do is go ahead and remove the safety chains, remove the 7-way plug, and then if necessary, you can move this up or down as necessary to level the unit. Okay, so now when you're ready to leave, you're done camping for the week, you would need to get reconnected to the trailer itself. Simply back the truck up to the trailer. Use the tongue jack to raise or lower it as necessary to get connected to the ball. Install all your safety chains and your 7-way, and then simply taking your drill, you're going to want to put it right on the nut and retract the jack fully. And then you're good to travel. Okay, so let's talk about care and maintenance of your tongue jack. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is keep that inner leg clean and free of dirt and debris. Spray it down with some dry silicone lubricant every now and again, and you're good to go. All right, well, thank you very much for joining me at the Lippert Technical Institute. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you have a great day.